Hi, everyone! How are you today? Today, we're all going back to Hoopa's construction site! Hoopa's busy building a cool playground for Toto.
Yay!
Let's go see how he's doing. Oh, there's Hoopa! Let's wave to him. Hi, Hoopa! Today, Hoopa is going to build the slide for the playground. It looks like we need to use 1 green hammer, 2 red screwdrivers, and 3 yellow nails. All we need to do is follow these instructions to build the slide. Let's get started, Hoopa. Hoopa, watch out where you're going. Are you all right, Hoopa? Uh-oh, everything's in a bit of a mess. No worries, Hoopa. We'll help you get it sorted out. Let's see now. Can you spot the green hammer? There it is! Okay, now, do you see the 2 red screwdrivers? There's one. Yep, there's the other one. That's 2 red screwdrivers. Do you see the 3 yellow nails? Well, that's 1. That's 2. Right, that's the 3rd one. 3 yellow nails. Good job. Now Hoopa can build the slide for Toto's playground. Wow, look at Hoopa go. He sure is fast. Awesome. A perfect new slide for Toto's playground. Well, that was great. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.